Today I am reviewing the Elgato Stream Deck MK.2 Studio Controller. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Elgato Stream Deck MK.2 is one of the most powerful productivity tools available for streamers, content creators, and professionals who want to streamline their workflow. Whether you're live streaming, editing videos, managing social media, or running multiple applications at once, this compact studio controller can transform the way you work. Designed by Elgato, a brand well known for high-quality creator gear, the Stream Deck MK.2 offers an intuitive and highly customizable control surface that can save you time and simplify complex tasks. At first glance, the Stream Deck MK.2 looks simple and clean, but its capabilities are extremely powerful. The device features 15 customizable LCD keys, each capable of triggering a wide range of actions with just a single tap. Instead of remembering complicated keyboard shortcuts or switching between multiple apps during a live stream, you can assign those commands directly to the keys. Each key can display a custom icon, making it easy to visually identify what action it performs. This visual feedback is incredibly useful during fast-paced workflows where speed and accuracy matter. One of the biggest advantages of the Stream Deck MK.2 is its one-touch operation. With a single press, you can trigger multiple commands simultaneously. For example, if you're streaming using OBS Studio, you could start your stream, switch scenes, enable your microphone, and launch background music all with one button. This level of automation can dramatically reduce the stress of managing a live broadcast. Instead of juggling several windows and controls, everything becomes centralized on the Stream Deck. The device is also incredibly versatile thanks to its wide range of integrations and plugins. It works seamlessly with platforms like Twitch, YouTube, and Discord, allowing creators to interact with their audience more efficiently. You can assign keys to send chat messages, trigger sound effects, switch scenes, or even control lighting if you use smart lighting systems like Philips Hue. This makes it not just a streaming tool, but a complete studio controller. Beyond streaming, the Stream Deck MK.2 is also extremely useful for professionals in creative fields. Video editors, photographers, and music producers can use it to speed up their workflow. For instance, while editing in software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, you can assign frequently used commands such as cutting clips, adding transitions, exporting projects, or applying color presets. Instead of navigating menus or remembering dozens of keyboard shortcuts, everything becomes accessible with a single button press. Another feature that makes the Stream Deck MK.2 stand out is its hotkey functionality. Essentially, any keyboard shortcut can be programmed into a key. This means the device works with almost any software you use. Whether you're editing photos, producing music, coding, or managing spreadsheets, the Stream Deck can adapt to your workflow. It becomes a personalized control hub tailored specifically to your needs. The hardware design of the Stream Deck MK.2 is also worth mentioning. The build quality is solid and professional, making it feel like a premium device right out of the box. The detachable faceplate allows users to customize the look of the device with different colors or designs. This is a small detail, but it's great for creators who like to match their gear with their studio setup. The adjustable stand ensures the Stream Deck sits comfortably on your desk at an ideal viewing angle. The USB connection makes setup extremely simple. Just plug it into your Mac or PC, install the Stream Deck software, and you're ready to start customizing your keys. The setup process is straightforward and beginner-friendly, yet powerful enough for advanced users who want to build complex multi-action workflows. Another major highlight is the visual feedback system. When you press a key, the LCD display instantly confirms that the command has been executed. Some keys can even change dynamically depending on the task you're performing. For example, when you switch profiles or folders within the Stream Deck interface, the keys update automatically to show the relevant controls. This dynamic interface makes the device feel extremely responsive and intelligent. The Stream Deck MK.2 also supports multi-action commands and folders. This means you can create entire pages of controls and organize them by category. One folder might contain streaming commands, another might control music playback, and another might manage video editing shortcuts. This level of organization ensures the device remains powerful without becoming cluttered. For content creators, the Stream Deck can also help improve production quality. With quick access to transitions, overlays, sound effects, and scene switching, you can create a more professional and engaging broadcast. Many successful streamers rely on the Stream Deck to maintain smooth, polished live productions without needing a complicated control setup. In everyday use, the Stream Deck MK.2 quickly becomes one of those tools you can't imagine working without. It removes repetitive tasks, simplifies complicated processes, and allows you to focus on creativity rather than technical management. The more you customize it, the more valuable it becomes. Overall, the Elgato Stream Deck MK.2 is an outstanding tool for streamers, creators, and professionals who want greater control over their digital workflow. Its customizable LCD keys, powerful integrations, visual feedback, and flexible automation features make it one of the best studio controllers available today. Whether you're streaming, editing, producing content, or managing multiple applications, the Stream Deck MK.2 can significantly improve your efficiency and productivity. If you're serious about content creation or workflow optimization, the Elgato Stream Deck MK.2 is absolutely worth considering. It's a small device that delivers a huge impact on productivity, making your setup smarter, faster, and far more professional.